Morning guys, welcome back to Tony's Canary Shack. Hope you're all well. Bit of a different setting this morning here at Newark Bird Show, and my cousin's got a few tables here, so I'm going to be taking a few cock birds and stuff to put on his stall, just to try and make a bit of space for hopefully when he have chicks. So yeah, we'll have a roam around and stuff, see what's around. Looks like it's going to be busy here. There's a few people here already. I was here at like 6:30 and doors open at 7, so yeah, we'll see what's around, but there is quite a few people here. Looks like it's going to be a lovely day, so let's get on and we'll have a look round, guys. Alright mate, how you doing? Yeah, I'm alright. Just have a look at your birds. Sorry mate, how you doing? You alright? Nice birds, isn't they? Yeah, nice, isn't it? Nice birds there, John. Lovely birds though, John. Oh yeah. Outside. Sorry mate. Nice bird, John. Yeah, he has. pair of red mosaics at the back. Yeah. These whites, John. Good birds, these recessive whites. Lovely birds, mate, seriously. I've got canaries, like, I've never had a parrot, but... Does she? Yeah. They are lovely birds. Hello, duck. You alright? Take a video. Lovely birds. Hello, duck. And that's my local bird club. Hello, duck. How you doing? Yeah. Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah. Good setup. Queuing up to get in, look, John. Yeah. Not 9:30 yet, is it? Still queuing. Yeah, it's still the queue. Wow. That for a greeny mule. That yellow one. Norwich. Yeah, Norwich, yeah. Nice bird.
Nice they are.
Aren't they? Lovely birds, mate. Beautiful. guys, just got back from Newark. As you see, done a short video. Got some decent enough footage, I think. Not very long video, but yeah, really good day. Sold my birds what I took in less than an hour, so really happy with that. Got rid of the cock birds and stuff that I needed to. Met some people who watch the channel and stuff. Really good to see you guys and meet new friends and stuff. Met Glyn from the Red Bird, you know, the Red Factor man. He was a really nice fella. Was talking to him for 10 minutes. First time I've met him. Spoke to him on Facebook a few times. Didn't pick up a lot, just a few bits of nesting, nest pans and stuff. So yeah, but all in all, very good day. Very busy, I thought. And there were a lot of people around and lots of birds to buy. Really good show Newark put on. So yeah, I thought it all in all, very good show, very good day. I'm knackered now. Got a bit of an headache, but we move on. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, comment underneath if you want anything else, you know, any questions asking or anything like that. I'm always up for that. I'll get back to you at some point. But thanks a lot for watching, guys, and see you all for the next video.